Hello all, welcome to chapter 3 from the book of Deuteronomy. This chapter is again in continuation of Moses' summary that has started from chapter number 1. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Moses remembers the time when the Israelites reached the land of Bashan and won victory over King Og. All the 60 cities were destroyed along with men, women, and children. The Israelites took livestock and plunder from these cities for themselves. Details are given with regards to the regions taken over by the Israelites. We then see Moses gives details on how the region outside of the promised land was to be given to the tribes of Reuben, Gad, and half to Manasseh. Moses reminds about the commitment these three tribes made towards accompanying the other tribes in war to win the promised land. Moses then encourages Joshua, saying not to fear anybody in war as God himself was fighting on their behalf. Moses then remembers that he pleaded to God to cross the Jordan so that he too might be able to enter the promised land. However, God was angry with Moses for his previous actions on account of the Israelites and did not relent to Moses' request. God commands Moses to go on the top of Mount Pisgah and see the promised land. So, in the previous chapters, we saw that it is mentioned that Moses had to climb Mount Abarim and see the promised land. Scholars point out that Abarim is just a mountain range. However, Mount Pisgah was the actual mount from which Moses was to view the promised land. Towards the end of this chapter, we see God informs Moses to encourage Joshua to lead the Israelites and help them inherit the promised land. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.